Imagine reading a book and getting paid $100 to review it. Yes, there are websites that pay you to review books, and the best part is that you can choose books according to your preferences. Today, I will share 5 websites where you can get paid to review books. Don't miss the third website on our list, as it pays $5 per book review even if your review gets rejected. Additionally, the 5th website pays more per book review compared to others. Watch the video till the end to maximize your earnings. You don't need any special skills for this. These sites provide you with books to read, and you just need to share your opinion to earn between $40 to $100 per review. The first website is kirkusreviews.com, a well-known platform where you can earn money by reviewing books. And you may have seen its reviews on Amazon Kindle books. Although the website does not specify payment per review, you can earn between $40 to $90 based on my experience. You can choose books from various genres like fiction, thriller, romance, history, and more. To apply and submit your resume, the second website is reedsy.com/discovery, where you can find numerous genres to explore. This site pays slightly less but offers free books to read. Payments are processed via Stripe. To register, provide your details, submit sample reviews, and start earning. The third website is booklistonline.com, which pays $5 per review even if rejected and $15 for accepted reviews. The audience for this site includes school and library workers, so plan your reviews accordingly. Submit your application with a resume and sample reviews via the Write For Us page to get started. The fourth website is theusreview.com, where payments range from $15 to $60 per review. Reviews are factual and concise, with 250 to 300 words required per book. To apply, visit their site, check out review examples for guidance, and send your resume along with sample reviews to the provided email. Finally, onlinebookclub.org offers opportunities to review well-rated books. Initially, you receive free books for your first review, and later, payments range from $5 to $60 per review. You can also participate in monthly $1,000 giveaways. To apply, visit their website, submit your email, and follow the instructions to start earning. These platforms provide an excellent opportunity to make money by simply reading and reviewing books. Sign up today and turn your love for reading into a source of income. If you want to make more money, then click on the videos showing on the screen right now.